How to use Seedance 2.0. So this is basically just an AI-powered video generation model that turns your little text prompts and sometimes images into short cinematic video clips, just like these shown, for example, in the background. Like there's an astronaut waving in a flowery field. So first of all, you can go ahead and access Seedance 2.0 through the platform that offers it. So in our case, if you go ahead and search for Seedance, you can find that LumeFlow.ai is giving this. So open up your LumeFlow and then just log in. Press on the Get Start for free option or the Start for free here in the top right. Then you will be able to enter this little section. So this will show up here, which is the Seedance 2.0 is live. You can just go ahead and click on that, and it should just bring you to the model directly. Now you could just choose whichever model you want, but in our case, we're going with the Seedance 2.0. So again, we mentioned you will be able to upload images and add a prompt depending on what kind of video you want. You can add sound. You can toggle this out if you'd like. And you also have the video duration from 5 to 15 seconds and 1 to 4 outputs. It will ask you for credits over here in the very bottom, so you're gonna need credits in order to be able to make a prompt though. But if you have just started, you will be able to get a few credits first of all, so maybe just some sort of example or a little trial you can take. So once inside the dashboard, you can create or text a video in the prompt box and describe exactly what you want to see, just like this little cat imagette over here. So you're gonna have to be specific about the subject, action, style, camera movement, light and mood, those kinds of stuff. So for example, you can make a cinematic shot of three little dogs doing a broadcast over here, somewhat like a top dog news, but pretty much again depends on what you want to prompt. So you can adjust the settings, you can choose the video length, aspect ratio, resolution and motion strength if available in the created output. And once that's done, you can go ahead and download the file to your liking. So once you finish generating and finish waiting for the process, and if the result isn't perfect, you will be able to tweak your prompt as well. So you can add clarity, you can reduce your complexity, or specify the style references. Then you can regenerate if you'd like. But that's basically the general idea on how the new Seedance model works. So you can go ahead and explore it if you'd like, but hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.